Diabetes affects millions worldwide, but understanding and prevention are within reach. This pervasive health issue continuously challenges individuals globally, but its prevention is possible with the right knowledge and lifestyle choices. Today, we will delve deep into the realm of diabetes, unraveling its mysteries, the extent of its impact on human health, and the practical measures that can be taken for its prevention. Diabetes is characterized primarily by the disruption of blood sugar regulation, leading to severe health complications if left unchecked. Two primary types of diabetes exist: type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes emerges when the immune system, in an anomalous turn of events, begins to attack the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This autoimmune response results in a reduced production of insulin, a hormone vital in regulating blood sugar levels. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes develops when the body begins to exhibit insulin resistance, or when the pancreas doesn't produce sufficient insulin. This leads to an accumulation of sugar in the bloodstream, thereby triggering a series of health complications. The risk of contracting diabetes can be linked to various factors such as genetics, lifestyle choices, age, and ethnicity. For instance, individuals with a family history of diabetes may be more susceptible to developing the condition. Similarly, sedentary lifestyle habits, unhealthy dietary practices, advanced age, and certain ethnic backgrounds may also heighten the risk. Preventing diabetes necessitates a holistic approach towards maintaining health. Incorporating whole foods into your diet, limiting the intake of sugars and processed foods, ensuring regular physical activity, maintaining an optimal body weight, and keeping a regular on blood sugar levels can significantly reduce diabetes risk. Furthermore, limiting alcohol intake and completely avoiding smoking can also contribute positively towards diabetes prevention. Prevention is key to combating diabetes and its complications. Subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness.